Okay, so let's talk next about how expectations and preferences affect demand. And that is pretty straightforward. So just assume a war breaks out in the Middle East and people expect fuel prices to go up soon. So, well, before prices go up, you probably will already run to the gas station and fill up your gas. So whenever you have the expectation that something will get soon very scarce or very expensive, you already increase your demand for that good today. It's like when people expect a hurricane, for example, then of course demand for duct tape and such things increases today as well. So that is about expectations. What about preferences? So let's say research shows that eating meat is bad for you, for your health, but eating fish is good for your health. Then of course as a result of the study, people develop a stronger preference for fish and a lesser preference for beef. And as a result of the change of preferences, the demand curve for beef shifts to the left and the demand curve for fish shifts to the right. Okay, so let's just do that quickly again. So if we have here the first case about expectations, let's say people are afraid that there is a war somewhere in the Middle East which will affect oil supply. So we have here Q and here the price. And if this is our initial demand, then this expectation that things become more expensive in the future increases demand today. So that's an increase in demand. And as about the study, if there is a study that suggests that eating fish is good for you, but eating meat is bad, so what will happen is that this change in preferences, so let's say this is demand for fuel, here we have the demand for fish, and here maybe for beef. So the study that suggests that eating fish is good for your health, okay, shifts it to the right. And likewise, if the same study suggests that eating fish is good and beef is bad, the demand for beef will shift to the left. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward. And in the next example, we talk about the effect of related products, and we will start with the case of complements.